الكافرين. Alright, I've just made the video during this, me undoing this knot there. I found sihr in the room. When I moved in this place, this was already here. I didn't realize till just now this is a knot with somebody's hair in it. And somebody's been done sihr. And they tried to they've used an electric wire, so you can't snip the knot. So otherwise you get electrocuted. But alhamdulillah, the other end of the wire wasn't going all the way inside the wall. So we've undone the knot. We've undone the knot and we've taken out the hair, and we're going to burn this hair now. Allah protect me and protect us all. Ameen. Look at these witchcraft people, these people of sihr, black magic. Subhanallah. These disbelieving people, these people of shirk. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala destroy them. Ameen. Now we're going to burn this hair. Inshallah, we're going to have to burn this hair. Allahu Akbar. We're going to have to burn this hair. Inshallah. Let's burn it in here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Let's burn it completely. Let's look now if we have a lighter somewhere. We have a lighter. We do have one. Alhamdulillah. Now we'll be burning this. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubs khaba'is. Allah protect me from the male and female jinn, shayateen, living in the toilet. Now we have to burn this. Burn this hair. Burn it. Let's burn this. We'll get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Have to burn this hair now. Let this hair burn. Burn it with the fire. Make sure it's all burnt. Yeah, even here as well needs to be burnt. All of this. I want to burn all of this. Burn it. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Maybe I think the last person maybe who lived here, he done that. And he's right next to the bed. Subhanallah. And this was the knot, they used it as a wire. But fortunately the wire, I thought this end was right inside. It looked like it was running through inside the wall. But it wasn't. So I managed to undo the knot. Alhamdulillah. And burn the hair. Astaghfirullah.